It's springtime, and I just pulled the bike out of the garage, and the battery is stone dead, so it's time to put a new one in. These instructions apply to the CRF250F, not the CRF250R or X. The battery is behind this side cover. There's one 8mm bolt down here at the bottom you need to remove. There's two rubber fasteners on the back side of this side cover. First, remove the back one just by pulling on it, and then this one, put your thumb here to hold this piece of plastic in while you remove the plastic. Move the negative terminal first. Battery is held in by this 10mm bolt on the bottom. Since the terminals go on the front of the battery, you want to put these little nuts in vertically like this. Put these nuts in before you put the battery in the bike. Once the battery is in there, you don't have enough room to put these nuts in. Start with this little dowel that needs to line up in this hole. This is one of the easiest batteries to change. I'm sure you can do it.